Imagine waking up in 2038. You don't have a job, not because you're lazy, not because you got fired, but because there aren't jobs anymore. AI handles logistics. Robots do the building. Algorithms write the code, generate the ads, even create the content. You live off a government-issued UBI, just enough to survive, barely. You eat what they ration. You rent what they allow. You obey, or it gets cut. Because here's the truth they won't tell you. UBI isn't freedom. It's dependence. It looks like compassion, but it works like a leash. You'll be free to scroll, stream, and survive, but not to own, build, or dissent. Say the wrong thing, your UBI gets reviewed. Break the wrong rule, welcome to the blackout economy. Hope you like lentils and lukewarm VR therapy. This is the post-work future if you don't prepare. So if you're young, broke, and earning an average income or less, this isn't fear-mongering. This is your early warning. Because here's the hidden twist in the UBI fantasy. If everyone gets the same $1,200 a month, but some people own rental properties, dividend stocks, and digital assets, guess who wins? UBI doesn't close the wealth gap. It freezes it. Forever. The owners still collect. The renters just survive. More videos will be made on this topic in the future. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss them. The old game was simple. Go to school, get a job, save for retirement. That game is gone. AI doesn't take sick days. Robots don't ask for raises. And your boss is already testing how to replace you. In this new world, labor is a liability. Capital wins. Ownership wins. People who own assets, not jobs, are the new ruling class. So here's the new rule. Own or be owned. If you want freedom, you need a portfolio, not a paycheck. The lie of easy passive income. Let's get one thing straight. Passive income is not easy, especially when you're broke. You've got rent, bills, groceries, and maybe $100 left at the end of the month. But sure, Chad on Instagram says you're just not vibrating at the right frequency. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. You need a strategy, discipline, and time. So if you're earning average or below average income, here's the plan. Not a fantasy, not a shortcut. A real-world roadmap to escape financial slavery and own your future. Stack capital, years 0 to 3. Your job is not your identity, it's your capital generator. So phase 1 is about maximizing that capital. Cut the bloat. Live like you're broke, because you are. Share rent, skip luxuries, eat lifestyle cheap. You're not too good for beans and rice. Hell, you might even develop a taste for it. Automate investing, even if it's small. $50 to $200 per month into a low-fee ETF or Bitcoin. Time is your multiplier. Learn a monetizable skill, not a passion, something people will pay for. Try sales, design, editing, coding, writing, freelance-friendly stuff. Track your net worth. Every single month. Assets minus liabilities. What you track, you grow. Don't try to look rich. Use these years to become dangerous. Phase 2. Buy assets, not liabilities. Years 3 to 7. Now you've built a financial base. It's time to buy freedom-generating assets. Forget flashy cars and lifestyle creep. Your salary goes up. You're tempted to upgrade your car, move out alone, and suddenly you're treating yourself like a Kardashian on a Wednesday. Here's what you buy instead. Dividend stocks. Pay you cash just to hold. REITs. Real estate exposure without needing a mortgage. AI innovation ETFs. Bet on the future. Bitcoin. Digital property in a collapsing fiat system. Think long-term. Think asymmetric bets. Low downside, huge upside. And remember, every dollar you spend on flexing is one less dollar building your machine. Phase 3. Build the machine. Years 7 to 15. Now you move from investor to owner. Your portfolio starts generating real income. Maybe $200 a month, then $500, then more. You don't rely on a paycheck. You supplement it. You can buy a cash-flowing rental, own part of a business, earn from a YouTube channel, an online product, royalties, whatever earns while you sleep. Use smart leverage, mortgages on assets, not debt for liabilities. Automate everything. Reinvest dividends. Keep your lifestyle lean. By year 10, you should be partially financially independent. By year 15, you don't work unless you choose to. That's real freedom. Here's your battle plan in one table. Phase year's goal. Stack capital, 0 to 3. Build habits, save aggressively. Upskill. Buy assets, 3 to 7. Accumulate income-producing assets. Build machine, 7 to 15. Scale passive income. Replace wages. Most people wait for permission to build their life. They wait for job offers, for raises, for governments. You're not most people. You build assets now while it's still possible. Because when I owns the jobs, the only way to win is to own the capital. But let's get real. Money alone isn't enough. In a world where nobody works, the rarest thing won't be cash. It'll be meaning. When survival is automated, purpose isn't handed out. People will numb themselves with screens, tribes, and fake hustle. But you build something real. Financial freedom is your foundation, but purpose is the ceiling. Final thoughts. So if you're still watching, here's your next move. Subscribe. Open a brokerage account. Automate $50 into something real. Start tracking your net worth today, because 10 years from now, you'll either be living on your terms or begging a system that no longer needs you. Deluxe UBI package, unlimited screen time, 1-bedroom shoebox, and lentils, forever. This isn't just about money, it's about power, autonomy, and meaning. The world is changing whether like it or not. So decide, are you going to be upgraded or uploaded? Be the owner, not the worker. Your future depends on it. Be industrious, brothers. Are you ready to join us on this journey? Are you ready to win? If you're enjoying this content, show some love, hit the like button, and give it a thumbs up.